Hi children, before class we are discussing about the multiplication of 4-digit number. Is multiplicand is more than 4 digits, I explained, but multiplier place it will be is 3 digits over and 4 digits also I explained. In the multiplicand place is more than 4 digits. In multiplier place it will be easier 4 digits. According to that, how to multiply the two numbers, two numerical numbers I explain one by one step. Before classes we are discussing about the properties of multiplication also over. The main thing, multiplicative identity is 1, additive identity is 0, multiplicative identity is 1. If any number we are multiplying with 0, we will get the product is always 0 only. Very important this point. Whenever we are multiplying with 0 to numerical number, then always the product should be is 0. Next, whatever it will be, we are multiplying the number with 1, we will get the same number. For example, we are multiplying 10 into 1, we will get the answer, this product is 10 only. 8 into 1, 8 only. 1000 into 1, 1000 only. Means what? Whenever we are multiplying with 1, we will get the product, it will be is a same numerical number. This process is all properties I explained before class. Now today we are discussing about the board problems about multiplication. Before classes I explained board problems about the addition and subtraction, and addition, subtraction together also I explained over that. Now today we are discussing about this class is it will be multiplication about the word problems. See, first you have to read carefully for this one. I wrote on the board question. The weight of a box is 645 kgs. One box weight he gave, that is 645. Find the weight of 145 boxes. Okay. Suppose one goods carrier brought 145 boxes. Okay, one goods carrier brought 145 boxes. In that one box it will be is a 645 kgs is it will be total how many kgs carry goods carrier, means what we have to do, one he gave, total number of boxes he gave, one box weight he gave, means what we have to do the multiplication with together boxes and box weight. Okay, see one example. In one class, ten students are same weight. In one class, 10 students are carrying same weight. One student carry 12 kgs. One student carry 12 kgs. Total 10 students, how many kgs will carry? Means what we have to do? One student it will be 12 kgs it will be carry. Okay. In this total how many students are carrying in? 10 students carry 12 kg each one. 10 students are carrying, means what? 10, 12, 12 like that. Each boy is carrying 12, means what? 10 into 12 we will get 120 kgs. There all the students they are carrying 120 kgs all together. Okay, that like that we have to do whatever it will be. Clearly we have to read the question, then we have to proceed. Next one, what he gave, here statement we have to write solution. First one, the weight of each box, the weight of one box we have to write. The weight of one box. A box means only one box. How many kgs? 645 kgs. A weight of one box, it will be is 645 kgs. What is asking now? Find the weight of 145 such boxes. Total number of boxes is equal to how many? 145. Total number of boxes. Total number of boxes. Total number of boxes is equal to 145. One box weight is this one. Total 145 boxes is equal to how much weight? We have to write what? Total weight of all boxes. Total weight of all boxes means what? How many are there? 145 boxes. Total weight of 145 boxes is equal 145 into 645. 145 into 645. Then we have to do multiplication. 645 into multiplicand and multiplier, it will be both are same digit numbers only. Then go to first one. 5 5s are 25. 5 4s are 20. 20 carry to 22. It will be is 2. 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 2. 32 here over. 1 space is over. Then we keep the multiplication symbol or 0. 4 5s are 20. 0. 4 4s are 16. 16 carry to 17. 18. Then again 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 1. It will be 25. Again 10 plus over. Then 1 5s are 5. 1 4s are 4. 1 6s are 6. Total how much will be 5. 2 8 plus 5 is 13. 14 15. Next 4 plus 5 9. 9 plus 3 it will be is 12. 12 plus 1 it will be 13. 13. Then it will be 6 plus 2 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. Total how much we got? 93,525 kgs. Total box weight is equal to how much we got? 93,525 kgs. See, just very easy for the solution of these word problems. First, what we have to do, whenever he gave the question, we have to read clearly what he gave. Okay, what he gave, what he is asking in the question. Then we can divide it into the terms. We can write the step by step what he gave statements. Then what he is asking, you can find to the final. Okay, like this way we have to do this one. Next one, go to next question. Very important this one also. See, first what he gave, there are 2,125 middle schools are there in the state. In the state, how many schools are there? 2,125 middle schools in a state. If the number of students in each school of the state is 1,245, then find the total number of students. For example, in one school 10 classes are there. In one school 10 classes are there. In that 10 classes, each class, total how many classes are there? 10 classes are there. In these 10 classes, it will be each class is 25 members are there. Each class, how many are there? 25 members are there. Okay, see, total how much strength it will be in the school means what? School is having 10 classes, each class is 25 members are there. Total students how much it will be? 10 into 25, it will be 250 students are there. 250 students are there in the school. By the same way we have to do the solution of this one. First we have to write what we have to write. There are 2125 middle school in a state. Total school in a state. Now number of schools in the state. Number of schools in a state is equal to how much should be 2125. 2125. Next one here statement it will be number of students in each school. Number of students. Number of students in each school. Each school means how much should be he gave 1245 he gave 1245 he gave. Total schools how many I wrote, the number of students I wrote. Then what we have to do, total number of students in the state. Total number of students is asking total only now. The number of students in the total, that state, total state how many students are there is asking. Total number of students, total students are in the state. Are in the state. Is equal to how much should be now? 2125 into 1245. 2125 into 1245. Do multiplication. 2125 is 1245 1 2. Then do the multiplication. 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10. 10 carry to 12. 5 1s are 5. 6, 5 2 ja, then you can write directly over the next one. 4 5s are 20, 2 carry 0 down, 4 2 8, 9, 10, it will be 0 again. 4 1 ja 4 plus 1 is 6, 4 plus 1 is 5, 4 2 ja 8, 2 4 ja, 2 5s are 10, 2 4 ja 5, 2 2 ja 4, 4 plus 1 5. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. Again it will be 3 over. Next fourth digit column it will be 1 5 ja 5, 1 2 ja 2, 1 1 ja 1, 1 2 ja 2. Do multiplication here. Addition last. While we are doing additions means multiplication is a repeated addition. 5, 2, 6, 15. 10, 12, 13, 14. 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 1, it will be 6, 2. Total 26, 2 lakhs. Total how much is 26 lakhs, 45,625 students are there. Total how many are there in the state? 26 lakhs, 45,265 students are there. This is the product. Okay children, thank you.